So, found a little quiet spot because I'm going to talk to myself and give you a little bit of a prequel for tomorrow, because we've just driven down from Bath, got stuck on the M5 due to an accident and spent an hour just on the motorway, and then you start to realise that over the next 2 days I'm cycling back to this point, and you realise how lumpy and how long Devon and Cornwall are. So I went past several signs, my route switches over the M5 and the A30 a couple of times, and the places I've recognised where I'm thinking, I'll stop for coffee here and lunch there, they're a long way from Land's End. So this is a mental game as well as physical. I feel capable of each day. Tomorrow's going to be a big day depending on which cycling route app you look at. It's 2,200 metres on one, 2,400 on another, so could be 2,500 metres of climbing, so an old money 7,500 feet of climbing over just short of 100 miles tomorrow. Then the day after is similar, 2,000-ish metres climbing and 110 to 115 miles. So 2 big days to start with, but it's beautiful. The sun's out, the wind, it's going to be over my left shoulder, tailwind, cross tailwind as they refer, but I'll get blown some of it far better behind than in front, so couldn't ask really for much better. It's probably going to be a little too hot, so the sun cream's on, and we're just doing a shakedown on the bike, pre-flight test, make sure everything's okay. So we'll see what my fluffy microphone has picked up, and that's my commitment to give you better videos on Facebook, give you updates, see how we're going. But right now Land's End's beautiful. I'll put some panoramic and other shots on just so you can see, and yeah, we're here. Fish and chips tonight, early start in the morning, 6 AM I want to be leaving here, and 10 hours plus in the saddle through Cornwall and Devon to tomorrow night's snooze place. Right guys, thanks ever so much for the support. Sponsorship is carried on coming in over the last couple of days, doubled my amounts already, so thank you ever so much. Mind and UNICEF, they're important charities. All charities are important, let's be honest, so I really appreciate you supporting ones that I value, so thank you very much. 6:30, colder than it was last night, so we're laid up. Bit of fapping this morning getting together, but we're there. So let's get this show on the road. Couldn't really miss the start, could I? Here we go. Straight for the head. I think it's going to be cooler than yesterday. A little bit more cloud, which could be ideal for cycling. Wind wise, hardly any. Right now, a little bit in my face, but gentle breeze. That's 100 miles to go. Lots of climbing, lots of scenery. Alright, next stop, Penzance. Go on some Cornish lanes, giant rhubarb. Scots pines, very much out of place, but yeah, I guess they like you down here too. Alright, leaving the North Cornwall coast behind us. Next time I see the sea will be Penzance. Bumpy Cornwall, as in the hills. The road's quite good. Lots of rabbits. Come on. And I've picked myself some wiggly roads. Goes down, must come up. Saving my legs, it's a long day today, so grinding away up the hill. Early doors, but I've seen one car since setting off 40 minutes ago. It's fantastic. There's a lot of land, isn't there? This is Newlyn, around Penzance, and so that's the St Michael. St Michael's now, if you can make that out. That was Newlyn, and that's Penzance. Lads. Start for school kids. Found the coastal path, too bad. Got to go through a car park to get to it. Seems a bit odd when you're on your bike. 2.5 miles to Marathon. Here we go. There you go, St Michael's Mount. No better. So we're about 30k in and done over 10% of climbing already for today. Still got 122 kilometers to go and 2,000 meters of climbing plus. That's at the end of the day. But, it's been a really nice start. Country lanes to Newlyn, Penzance, Marathon. Now we're heading into more agricultural Cornwall, I guess, in the centre of it. Okay, back to. Sometimes the clues in the names. I end up Gurrian Hill, but I miss the big buses that are picking all the school kids up and the dustbin wagons out. Monday is definitely here, and it's normal life for everybody else. I was going to cycle nearly 500 miles this week, onwards and upwards. Little roads like this with smooth tarmac. I did say 5 of 26 climbs, and that's only the medium and hard climbs of the day. Up we go. I knew I picked little lanes. This is like I turned into somebody's driveway, but I got caught up in a bit of rat run to work people a while back, so it's nice to get back to just me and my bike. So that's the North Cornish coast. It's in a bit of a big loop. Last time I'll probably be seeing that.